I am so excited. I had a record-breaking month for the month of June, and I literally teared up when I saw this, when I hit this number, and I've been wanting to hit this number for so long, and it finally happened. And I'm so excited to share with you. I'm going to show you my income, my expenses for my business, real numbers behind the scenes. I'm going to show you my analytics. We're going to show you all the numbers, CPM, everything that you want to see. And it's going to be raw, it's going to be real. Let's get to Excel. Here we are in Excel. We're going to go over all the numbers, the expenses, all the things. And I also have a blog post on this down below as well. So definitely check that out. And I got some freebies in that blog post for you. So starting out, affiliate marketing, I brought in $7,143.32, which is amazing. I love that we are finally hitting really good strides with affiliate marketing. I've poured into affiliate marketing for years, and I love that we're hitting it. This is amazing. Next is digital products, and digital products I made $120.45. On my website I have printables and Excel spreadsheets, all of that. I also have all of these products on Etsy as well. I have the same exact products hosted in both places just to try drive their own traffic. But this is my shop on my website where I sell Excel spreadsheets, I sell printables, all the different things. But digital products, like I said, made $120.45. Next up is YouTube ad revenue. I made $734.54. Now this is just off of my main channel, not the channel that you're watching this on. And this channel is not monetized yet, but my main channel obviously is. So let's look at the analytics and dig in. Okay, here we are in my main channel dashboard, and I have currently 52,605 subscribers. And let's look at analytics here. And I'm going to do analytics for June. All right, so analytics for June, I had 48,000 views, 3.2 hours of watch time, 304 subscribers, and estimated revenue was $1,336.77. But you don't get paid until the following month. So let's actually look at May, because May is what translates over. So for May, because I get paid in June for May. So 44,000 views, 2.8 hours of watch time, 8,000 hours of watch time, 171 subscribers, and $734. Top content was this CIT video with 3,000 views. Why I stopped following Dave Ramsey, 3,000. 50 frugal living tips, 2,000. Now, as you can see, most of these are ones that I've made way before. So this one is April 2023, August 2020, September 2022, December 2021, May 2022, December 2022, May 2023. So most of these I'm getting paid. My top videos are ones from previous. Let's look at content or at revenue. So May we made $725, and my RPM was 1784. And then top earning content. Let's look at this because this is my favorite place in the analytics where we can look at CPM and all of that. So let's see, CIT Bank CPM was $74. Average for the month was $35 CPM. Now the CPM is what YouTube pays the advertisers, and then I get my cut of that. So I don't get the full 74 or all of that. I only get RPM. So why I don't follow Dave Ramsey was $33. Top cash back was $53. CIT Bank Review 51. So as you can see, it definitely varies, and this will vary by day as well. Some days you'll have one that spikes up and has really good, and then other times not so much. So this one is $109 CPM, and I only made $3.14 on it because it only got 54 views. Now, if one of these super high playing ones, like this one that had 2,500 views, if that had $100 CPM, I'd be making a lot more money. And then this one has $125 CPM, but it only got 44 views, so $3.04. So you can definitely tell that even though the amounts on views, like let's look at these two. So this one has 1,200 views, but it's a $51 CPM, and I made $35. This one has almost 1,000 views more, but I made basically the same thing for only $28 CPM. So that's how much CPM plays into how much you're making on YouTube. So definitely dig into your analytics. That you can get a lot of really good information from that. So watch paid ads was $720. Membership was $14, and shorts was only 35 cents. I don't make diddly squat from shorts. All right, let's switch over channels to start your online business. So this is my second channel, Start Your Online Business with Kelly Ann Smith. And let's look at analytics here. And let's look at May as well. So May, 7,000 views, 241 hours of watch time, and 89 subscribers. And then these are the top viewed videos, as you can see. Now let's look at the Earn tab. So YouTube actually just created a new thing where you can apply for their lower tier partner program where you can make money off of super chats and off of lives, but you don't get the normal AdSense. So there's two different ways. So you can do the 3,000 hours or the 4,000. So we're plugging along, and I do have a printable for you guys if you want. It'll be free in the blog post. If you're on a monetization journey and tracking, then you can track along with me. So to get the full monetization, which is what I'm gearing towards, I already have the 1,000 subscribers, and the hours, I am at 2,425 public watch hours out of 4,000. So we're over halfway there, but it's a slow and steady race. So definitely grab this printable if you are trying to get monetized as well. Then for the 3,000 hours, we are way closer to that, and I have 2,400 out of 3,000. So that is the second channel there. Next up is blog ad revenue. I made $67.59. Let's look at Ezoic. Ezoic is who I have my ads through, and this is showing $86, but that's for the last 30 days, and it's on a delay as well. But I average anywhere from, I don't know, $1.50 to $3-4 a day in my ads. So it's not a lot of money, but it's something. And then here are my most recent articles on transforming my body and life with 75 days for the 75 Mom Challenge. Honest Income Report, that's this blog they're watching now. 100 Easy Items to Declutter. Navigating Entrepreneurial Journey. How therapy has helped in my success. CIT Bank Accounts and Rates. All of that. So you can see my most recent articles. Like I said, I do have an article on this video as well, so definitely check it out. Next up is courses, and in courses, I had a big webinar and I made $2,169.09. I have two courses. My first one is a entrepreneurship course for helping people want to become content creators or virtual assistants or freelancers or copywriters, basically anything making money online. Here's the list that it covers: becoming a coach, YouTube channel, blog, podcast, selling digital products. And it is going to walk you through how to set that up, all the stuff that you need to know behind the scenes. And this is my main course here that I sell, is Dreamer to Profitable, which is an amazing course that I've gotten such great feedback from. So if you're interested in it, definitely check it out. It'll be linked down below. Then I also have a course on how to save money on groceries. And this course is just a course on meal planning, meal prepping. It's on sale right now for $19, typically $67. And it also goes into just other hacks to save money on groceries at the grocery store, all the different things that you can do. And here's the modules that you're gonna get in the course. Next up is membership, and I have two memberships. I have an add-on to Dreamer to Profitable, where you can get deeper teachings and deeper lessons from me on an online business. Then I also have a Patreon with a Discord, which is a really, really fun community where we talk everything from what's going on in our life to fitness, to working out, to accountability, to saving money, to side hustles, all the different stuff. It is really, really fun. I also do my personal budget report cards on there as well. So that is in my Patreon. Next up is coaching. Coaching was $0. Next up is Instagram, and Instagram was $0. They actually got rid of the Instagram bonus program, which really sucks. So it is what it is. Next is freelance, $250 for a freelance that I do social media for a local realtor. Sponsorships, nothing. All right, you guys ready for the grand total? Grand total this month was $10,660.35. Holy cow, I teared up when I first saw that. Amazing. This is my first month hitting 10K, and I am so excited to make this a regular thing. So here is my income for the month. It's amazing. So excited for it. All right, let's look at expenses. I think it's really important to see what companies are spending their money on. And, you know, I could be making 10K a month, but spending 9K in ads, so it's not really 10K. So I think it's really important to look at behind the scenes of what they're spending their money on as well. Okay, education self-development was $150. That was a boot camp that I went to, a book, 2 different books, coaching, and all of that. And then equipment was $138. Let's see, marketing was $682.80. Travel expenses was $1638. This was something that a class that I went to that I had to drive to. So that was the gas that it took in the miles that I had to log. Next is just dues and subscriptions, and this is always a lot of them. Takes a lot to run in the back end with my website mostly. $989.62. And then no food this month. So total of all expenses was $1,978.24. Total revenue was $10,660, as you saw. My owner's pay. So this is what gets transferred to my personal family budget, what feeds my family, pays my mortgage, all of that. $7,462.25. Operating expenses, 30% of my take-home pay is $3,198. My goal is to reinvest 30% back into my business. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. Since this was such a high income month, it was a lot lower. I had remaining $1,219. So that's just going to go into a fund that I have for the months that it's higher. Total work hours, 80 hours and 80.17 hours. Let's look at this really quick. We're going to go into reports. This is Toggl. This is where I track all of my time. So last month, here's what it is, 80 hours and 10 minutes. And you can see the hours that I worked each day. And the projects that I spent it on from admin was 31 minutes. Affiliates was an hour and 15 minutes. Blog was almost 8 hours. You can see what I'm spending my mind. Editing was 14 hours. What else? Webinar was 14 hours. Like I said, I had a big webinar this month. So this is where I spent my time. So that gives me an hourly rate of $132.97, which is amazing. All right, let's look at total income for the year. Here is total income for the year. So we have January through June. I hid the other columns just to make it easier to see all in one page. So as you can see, I've had months where I only made $3,000, and this month was a 10K month. So absolutely amazing to see the growth that we've had recently. And I have made total so far for the year $35,669.06. And as you can see here, it was a high month of hours, 80 hours. Last month I only spent 72 hours working, but my highest month ever with hourly rate. My goal to have my hourly rate is $100 an hour. So we surpassed that this month, but the average is $80 an hour. So I will take that. But this was a lot of fun, a great month. And if you want to see some digital download ideas, I have 30 digital download ideas. Check out this video here. And if you want to see side hustles that you can do from home, right from your couch, right from your bed, check out this video here.